Zachariah and John. Zachariah was about 90 years old. His hair had turned white and his physical strength was gradually fading away. He had no child, and this fact had made him gloomy, for he knew he would soon pass away and no one would be able to undertake the responsibility of leading his tribe. Once, while he was again thinking of this problem, he entered Mary's sanctuary in Jerusalem. Mary was busy praying, and there was a dish of fruit on the floor beside her. Zachariah asked her, "You, Mary, tell me where these fruits have come from." Mary said, "They are sent down to me by the unique God every morning and night. God bestows abundant sustenance to whoever He wishes." "My God, you're the kindest with your subjects, so please do me a favor and grant me a child, for you are the Almighty. Don't leave me alone on my own. Grant me a child who would be my successor and the heir to my knowledge and wisdom." Zachariah had not yet left Mary's sanctuary and was still praying there when heavenly angels came down on him and informed him of the glad tidings that God would soon grant him a son by the name of John. In the Almighty's will, his son John was born. He later turned out to be a wise, handsome, and faithful man. Having all these good qualities, he was then honored to be appointed to the lofty position of prophethood. John was a pious man and quite diligent in praying God. Whenever he noticed anyone committing a sin, he became very sad and depressed. Once John was informed of his niece's marriage with Palestine's king. He was very furious and said that the marriage was not according to rules of their religion. Therefore, John started rejecting the idea seriously. The king, who was thus bearing a terrible grudge against John, called him to his palace and then ordered to kill him. When John's blood covered the ground, it started to gush up like boiling water, and even casting large amounts of soil on it could not stop that gushing blood. This continued until Nebuchadnezzar revolted and killed 70,000 of Israelites. This way, John's revenge was also taken, and so his blood stopped gushing.